Hi guys, this is Corso, the Review Tech. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech C920. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so we're gonna start from outside the box. This camera can take images of 1080p, has a 15 megapixel sensor, has autofocus, and also has dual microphones for stereo sound. This camera works with Skype, Google Hangouts, FaceTime, so it's a really good camera and the price is around $65. So we're gonna go ahead and open the package. Okay guys, so now that we open the package, we only have the camera with the 1080p right here and the Logitech logo right there. These two are the microphones, so you can have a stereo sound coming out of the camera. And under the camera, so here we have the mount for you to put the camera on your tripod, and you can open this and you can mount the camera to your computer. Just have to open this little thing. That's how you're gonna place the camera. And it's also flexible right here, so you can move it up and down. And of course has a normal USB connection, so you can plug it into your computer. Besides the camera, we only have the books, the instructions, how to set it up. Here is the camera, C920 Pro HD webcam setup guide. So you just have to set it up on your laptop or tripod and you're ready to go. So now the reason I purchased this camera is because my MacBook Pro camera is off, so I need a new camera for my computer. Every time that I want to see my camera on my computer, I have this error message says there is no connected camera to my computer. So for that reason I went and got this one. Okay, let's plug it in, see how it works. To mount the camera, just have to place this part on the top like that, and then the little leg under is gonna hold to it. Let me see if I can show you guys how it looks. So that's how it's gonna be mounted to the laptop. Alright, so now the camera is on my computer. Let me plug it in, see what happens. Oh, there you go, that was quick. Cool guys. So you see guys, only thing you have to do is just plug it in and you'll be able to stream now from your computer. So this is it for me today guys. This is Corso, other Review Tech. If you guys like my videos, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next episode.